While in the workbook you wish to share, click the Share button in the upper right corner of the workspace. In the resulting dialog box, you can choose whether or not the people you'll share the workbook with can just view or can also edit the workbook. After supplying the email address or addresses, click the Send button, and moments later Excel lets you know that your invitation to share the workbook has been sent via Outlook. You can also share the workbook with a link. After choosing what level of access that link will provide, viewing or editing, you can copy the link and then paste it into any text, email, or Teams chat. Anyone with the link will be able to access the workbook. So bear this in mind if you're giving them the right to edit the workbook. People can and will share links, and you can't prevent that. If you want to protect the workbook somewhat from that possibility, make use of the Set Expiration Date and Set Password options found in the Link Settings dialog box.